drill, number 2, number 3 Phillips, painter's room masking tape, level, supplied hardware, tape measure in case you want to measure from the floor to the location of your picture. Optional, if you don't have the drill, you can use screwdrivers, number 2, number 3. Get your thumbtacks, tape, and level. This is the top of the picture. Take your thumbtack, sharp side up, place it underneath the D-ring and up against the top. Same with the other side. Just like that. Get your tape. Place it underneath the thumbtack and pressing it up against the top of the D-ring. Tape the D-ring down, holding that tack in place. Same with the other side. Get your level. 2 pieces of tape. One on top here. Make sure you don't cover the view of the center line or the center location of the level. As close as you can to the center of the top of the frame. And then just tape that in place. Before you hang your picture, get yourself a stud finder if you have one. If you don't, you could use the old knock method. A little more high pitch there, that's what you want to hear. That's going to be a stud right there. I already checked, I already know. Just to demonstrate though. And that's it. I know my picture's not going to hit that stud, and that's what we want. These are designed for up to 80 pounds, and they're only designed for drywall, not for going into studs. Grab your picture by the D-ring location. Put it to the height you want. Keep the bottom of the frame off the wall so you don't scratch the wall. Place the top on the wall. Get it level. Remove your fingers from the back of the frame while pressing on the thumbtacks. Not too hard. Maybe a little bit of a circular motion. Boom. There are locations right there. Okay, you want to grab your hardware now and your drill, number 3 Phillips. Find your tack location. Start drilling on an angle going down this way, just slightly. Screwdriver method. It's going to take a little bit of force. That's okay though. I'm going to go in at an angle again. Press. Turn and press at the same time. Okay, last step. You want to grab 2 screws, your Phillips, number 2, drill or screwdriver. Want to go into about a 1/4 inch off from the wall. Same with this side. You can remove your tape and your level and tacks. Pinch the D-rings on the back, just like that. Start up, work your way down, feel for the screws. Let them catch. While you're here, keep holding on to the frame and make sure that those D-rings are seated properly. There you have it. If you're interested in one of these, reach out to OntarioLakeArt.ca.